Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create a workflow on Make or Make.com. So first, log into your Make.com account. Now click on create scenario button here. Now just for the app, click on the plus and choose, for example, you want to create a scenario for Gmail and choose the event. For example, you want to watch email, send an email, reply to an email. So I'm gonna click watch email. We added our Gmail and watch email event. So we choose the social media account there. Now we're going to create the connection. Click on create the connection. For the connection name, just you can name it my Gmail connection. You can add additional steps, for example, log in and then sign up and you can click on sign in with Google to add this connection and create this workflow to your Gmail account. And this is pretty much it, guys. You can do the scenario also with Instagram, with any social media, LinkedIn, or any social media you use for your work. And that's it, your work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a